Omax Corporation ensures their customers can easily utilize their equipment to get the best use out of their investment. Like Omax, SOLIDWORKS 2020 delivers new ways for you to get the most out of your time spent within SOLIDWORKS products. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020 now enables the flexibility to interrupt the machine cycle at any point to validate the positional tolerance of your parts using the new probing operations. Markups, now available within your 2D drawings, leverage pen, touch, and even your mouse to offer a more natural and convenient way to convey important information with your organization. Just as important is the ability to share your reviews and ideas that leverage markup, ensuring everyone has access to the information. As pen and touch devices become more mainstream, SOLIDWORKS 2020 continues to innovate with gesture-based tools like Power Modify, enabling you to take full advantage of these devices. These new workflows streamline the way you work, keeping you focused on your design. Tangency and curvature continuity are joined by G3 curvature as a new sketch relationship to enable creation of smoother shapes and fundamentally change what you can create with SOLIDWORKS 2020. Assembly patterns are now more intelligent in their ability to align components to the orientation of hole wizard holes, eliminating workarounds, extra steps, and fewer patterns needed to get the job done. Likewise, linear and circular patterns now offer more flexibility and control by allowing you to modify individual instances throughout the pattern. Creating the perfect drawing means every year SOLIDWORKS introduces new ways to detail your designs. Chain dimensions offer a faster way to get to the end result you're looking for while keeping everything aligned and tidy. To learn more about streamlining your workflows in SOLIDWORKS 2020, explore the other videos on this website, and be sure to attend a local SOLIDWORKS reseller launch event.